I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows version and whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. This matters for which preview handler registers. Next, make sure PDF files are associated with the reader you want to preview. Wrong association blocks the handler. Once done, close File Explorer and any PDF apps to avoid locked files, then run File Explorer as admin to perform the next registration steps. These quick checks prevent common permission and bitness mismatches. Now you re-register the handler DLL using regs432 as an administrator. This reinstates COM registration that Explorer relies on. While that runs, inspect the registry keys under HKCR\CLSID and the preview handler's entries to confirm GUID point to the handler. Incorrect keys cause failures. If the DLL is missing or corrupted, repair or reinstall the PDF application so it writes the correct values. Make sure to restart Explorer after changes so Windows loads the updated handler. Finish by restarting File Explorer or rebooting so Windows loads the newly registered handler. Simple restarts often complete the fix. Test several PDF files and try a different viewer to isolate whether the issue is app-specific versus system level. If previews still fail, open Event Viewer for COM or application errors and try booting into safe mode to rule out shell extensions. If you see related errors, note the error codes before seeking further help. That speeds troubleshooting and a precise fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.